wabarakatuh.
My name is Muhammad Al-Fafirasyan, and this is my part.
My name is Muhammad Asyan.
The story we tell is the ant and the grasshopper. In a field one summer's day, a grasshopper was singing, chirping, and hopping around about for fun. Then an ant passed by carrying an ear of corn on its face.
Why not come and get with me instead of doing all of that work? Said the grasshopper. We have to prepare for the winter. Why bother about winter? We have ripe plenty of fruit at the moment, said the grasshopper. The ant went on its way, continued its work. When the winter came, the grasshopper had no food and was dying of hunger. The ant, however, has plenty of food to last out through. The winter for his hard work in the summer. Then the grasshopper knew it is best to prepare.
That's all from us. What were we later today? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.